जीवन है एक मेला, सही दिशा पे चल दो राही, गजब जीवन का है खेला। चेला को बस गुरु चाहिए, गुरु को बस चेला, चेला को बस गुरु चाहिए, गुरु को बस चेला।
Hi everyone, today's topic is CAT, career triangle, and when it comes to triangle, our mind races to a very mysterious triangle, Bermuda Triangle. Let's take a look and we will of course tell you why are we referring Bermuda Triangle in this episode. It is said that things disappear around Bermuda Triangle. So disappearance is kind of synonymous with Bermuda Triangle, be it shipping liners, be it airliners, they seem to disappear. Today, the triangle that we are going to talk about is right opposite. It talks about appearance, emergence. Let's give you an example. Imagine somebody's career is kind of dwindling. It's not really going the right way. Career triangle can salvage that career back on track. So this is a very positive triangle, a real input for the aspirants. Therefore, if you are a sales executive and looking for the role of an ASM, please take career triangle very seriously. It will give you big help. Remember that. We will be discussing CAT in a while, but before that, let me tell you, we have a student with us today. He has become an ASM very recently. Let us hear his story. Hi Krishnendu, welcome to this channel. Let me ask you 3 questions. First question is, you were senior sales executive a few months back and today you are an ASM. What factors do you think played in your favor?
Hello everyone, I'm very much proud to be here today. Let me tell you that 14 साल लग गया मुझे AC to ASM बनने में और इसके पीछे बहुत सारे इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर्स था. सबसे पहले मैं मेंशन करूँगा मेरा प्रीवियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आई मस्ट से ऑल द क्रेडिट्स गोज टू माय प्रीवियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, क्योंकि मुझे वहाँ पे काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिला अपना सीनियर्स से. लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा था. ऑफ कोर्स आई मेड मिस्टेक्स, मैं ठीक भी किया. और द गुड थिंग इज़ दैट मुझे पीरियडिकली फीडबैक भी मिलता रहा और एप्रिसिएशन भी. इन अ नटशेल एवरीथिंग वाज क्वाइट बैलेंस्ड. द सेकेंड फैक्टर विदाउट विच आई कैन नॉट बी हेयर टुडे, दैट इज़ अ आई कैंटर. सी आई एम अ परफॉर्मर. हमेशा परफॉर्मेंस के पीछे ही भागता रहा, मगर जो मिसिंग एलिमेंट जो हमेशा मिस करता रहा वो है परसेप्शन. और आई कैंटर से ही मुझे वो परसेप्शन वाला दिशा मिला. एंड आई हैव बीन गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ प्रोफेशनल सपोर्ट. तीसरा, मुझे बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ा, बहुत, और मेहनत करना भी पड़ेगा. ऑल दिस फैक्टर्स वर्क लाइक ए मैजिक. फाइनली आई एम वेरी मच ग्रेटफुल टू माई current organization, DS Group, for giving me a big break.
Krishnendu, second question for you. Why did you join iCanter? What triggered you? Let us know about it.
इसके पीछे एक स्टोरी है. मार्केट में मेरा एक सीनियर से मुलाकात हुआ, आलोकशील सर. उनके साथ करियर को लेकर काफ़ी टाइम तक डिस्कशन हुआ. तो उन्होंने ही बताया कि iCanter का एक वर्कशॉप होने वाला है. मैंने अटेंड की. तो अटेंड करने के बाद मुझे एक रियलाइजेशन हुआ कि मेरा तो करियर अप्रोच में कुछ गड़बड़ है, तो मुझे भी कुछ इनपुट चाहिए. मैं ज्वाइन कर ली और इट वाज अ सुपर्ब डिसीजन.
We appreciate you are a very new ASM, but yet we will ask you a question. What will be your suggestions to the aspirants? There are quite a few senior sales executives and they are aspiring to become an ASM. What will be your 1 or 2 suggestions?
मैं काफ़ी नया हूँ ये सजेशन देने में, मगर फिर भी मैं 2 सजेशन देना चाहता हूँ कि हमेशा अपना करियर को प्रायोरिटाइज कीजिए. दूसरा, कभी भी कोई भी ज़रूरत पड़े, कोई भी दिक्कतें हो, रीच आउट टू द पीपल.
Thank you, Krishnendu, for being with us. Let us now start the topic of the day, CAT, Career Triangle. If you look at this slide, you will see that there are three dimensions in this triangle: awareness, behavior, communication. We will start with awareness. Let's start with an easy definition of awareness, which goes like this: do I know what I am supposed to know? What you are supposed to know, you must know about the industry, at least 30 to 40 headlines, 50 is better. Do you know about all the 5 growth drivers and you can use it very, very well in the market? And finally, do you have absolute clarity about what drives career? Now, all of you think, I will not say all of you, that's an overstatement. Most of you think that performance alone can clinch your career, which is probably not true, which I keep repeating myself. So please build awareness around these three elements. It will do you a world of good. Second dimension of CAT is behavior, and behavior is all about managing expectations. So we have put in three elements: accountable, aggressive, adaptable. What is accountable? You are having total ownership with zero externalization, which means in a performing, non performing, whatever situations, you cannot bring in external factors as a primary argument. Undercut is going on, stocks are not available, etc. You have to put yourself in the line of fire. If you can display this kind of behavior, seniors will definitely notice and you will get benefit out of it. And for heaven's sake, we are never suggesting that the external factors are not facts. External factors can very well be facts. There is no problem in that. But we are suggesting don't get into external factors as your primary argument. That's the point. Let us now talk about aggressive. Aggressive is all about speed and urgency. It's a toss up between being on time and before time. Imagine a situation you are chasing something, nobody is chasing you, you are being proactive. Everybody should feel that you are in a kind of a serious pursuit and nobody can stop you. That is being aggressive, not accepting even a good reason or a good rationale for non achievement. That's aggressive, and if you can display this kind of a behavior, you will definitely get a lot of benefit out of it. The third element of behavior is adaptable. What is adaptable? Can you bring in some changes? Can you try some sales innovation? Can you show the world extraordinary kind of efficiency or spotting a huge opportunity which nobody had done earlier? This kind of displays will certainly get attention of your seniors and you will be back in the race for the role of an ace. Now the most important dimension, which is communication. Now there are, let's say, many misconceptions about communication. For an example, if you think that somebody is very fluent in a lot of languages, is very, very good in communication, not true at all. Even if you speak one or two language, which is good enough as long as you can express yourself. Now there are of course three types of communication fundamentally. One is your verbal communication, one is your written communication, and finally the showcasing communication. Today we will focus on showcasing communication. You must note that showcasing is a big career driver, and if you can showcase well, your career will definitely move faster. But there is a catch. But showcasing communication is something you have to learn. And if you think showcasing is show offing, that's absolutely wrong. Even in a showcase kind of a situation, you have to boldly mention some of the things that you could not do well and you have a point of reflection, that's super critical for showcasing. It's about good, bad, and ugly. Remember that for sure, and that will make you very strong in communication. That's all for CAT, which is career triangle. With effort, you can of course crack it. Good luck to all of you. If you want to know more about CAT, please connect with me through the T2M Talk to Mentor facility. 1 hour free career discussion with me, and we'll see you on next Saturday, and we'll discuss a very, very important career topic, bell curve. Till then, all the very best and God bless.